Hi guys, Chris at Rift here, and welcome to another workshop update, vlog, whatever it is. Sorry you missed last week's video, just been so busy with repairs and things, I haven't got round to actually filming anything. But I thought today we'd just do a quick update on what we've got going on in the workshop, what we're building, what we're repairing, all that kind of stuff. So, hope you enjoy. Here it is then, Fender black panel Tremolux in the very, very rare blonde finish with matching 2x12 cabinet on piggybacks. Place some caps, and there's also an original Rangemaster to boot. It's a really cool amp, this. It's essentially a there we go. It's essentially a Vibrolux reverb without the reverb. It's a way to look at it. But yeah. So that's going back today to customer Ernie. That one's done. That's the brown panel Bandmaster. Quite a bit of work going on there. And I'll walk out the front and show you what's also else going out today. Just coming around here. So we got black panel super reverb. Top of my head is 1966. That's an EVH 100 watt head. That's a PR35 that came in for service. That's a Plexi 18 that came in for service. Black Hawk head cab. That's a prototype we've been working on. That's 100 watts. Sorry, tell a lie. That's a big box tweed twin with reverb. That's great. Low powered Americana, Angel Lister. And that's a Marshall DSL 50. So what else have we got for you? Well, this is an amp that Jamie's been working on this week. It's a Wheelhouse, and it's a revised version from the one we used to do that had the black faceplate. So we made a few little changes to it, mainly internal, just some tonal tweaks. But if you look at that amp, you can see the quality of the builds and the wiring that we're doing at the moment. So this one I think is off to Scandinavia. Just need to pop the chassis in the cabinet and then it's done. And then we've got another PR35 here on the bench. This one's got two-knob reverb. This has actually come back in for service. So we just tweaked the bias, increased and made some changes to the trem circuit just to get it throbbing more. So that's that one done. Okay, this is what else we've been working on this week. We just finished off a Plexi 18 for a dealer in Norway. We've got a low-powered Americana for a dealer in Australia, and this is a PR18, but this one's got harmonic trem. Now, we sold a couple of them and they were great, but I'm still trying to make them better. So this is a prototype that we're still tweaking. But we've had parts back ordered for this for months now. But you can see it's quite a complex build, a lot going on in there. And we've moved all the filter caps onto the main board. Give you a close up of the other two. Well, that's it then, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the comments and questions that we get, both on the videos and through the website. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. It all helps the channel. We're trying to grow this channel so we can just show you what goes on in the workshop and give you more of an insight. Because we are extremely busy, and we do get through a lot of stuff. Some really cool vintage gear comes in that we work on. So I really want to be able to share that with you, and growing the channel is one way of doing it. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a short one, just as we buzz through stuff, but as we go on, I'll try and do some more in-depth videos for you. Thanks for watching.